Wrap the strapping around the item once, then insert one end of the strapping into the base of the machine, the end of the strapping should be embedded in the base, and must not extend beyond it. Press the circular rod down to secure the strapping. Insert the other end of the strapping into the upper slot. Crank the long handle until the strapping is tightened. Place the buckle onto the strapping. Lower the clamping jaw to secure the buckle and cut off the excess strapping. Lift the circular rod and remove the machine. The packing process is now complete.